Everybody, welcome back to another video about Cardano, guys. In this video, I'm talking about the latest update of a Cardano. What's going on? What surprise changes occurs in a Cardano or not? Let me show you. But before starting this video, I request all of you that please subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos about the cryptocurrency market. Guys, the live and latest price of Cardano is about 2.46 USD dollar. 2.46 USD dollar, that is the latest in live price of a Cardano in the market. You know that in a previous days, the Cardano price very badly dumps. But that's good news for all of you. That is a surprise news for all of you that in the latest situation, the Cardano price changes also become positive, guys. You can see now the last 1 hour update is about negative 0.55%. The last 1 day changes is about positive 2.53%. Last 1 day changes mean that is the last 24 hours update. So the 24 hours update is positive. That's mean that the Cardano price pump. So good news for everybody. Absolutely, you are feeling good about Cardano because the changes, the price start pump. Now guys, let me show you a price chart. You can see here, oh my god, just look here, guys. 15 September the price started jump, but unfortunately in the latest situation again the price is in the dumping mode. Possibilities, guys, that again the price will jump, but I'm not sure about that the price will jump. Possibilities that the price decrease, that the price dumps more. But you can see here that is the last 7 days update, and the changes is still positive 1.08%, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this update video, guys. Subscribe now our channel for more this kind of update videos.